Hello, friends! Today we have the Range Rover Evoque second generation in the R-Dynamic P300e version from 2020. This is a plug-in hybrid with a 1.5-liter Ingenium petrol engine and an electric motor. Total power is 225 kilowatts or 306 horsepower with an automatic transmission and all-wheel drive. The R-Dynamic is easy to recognize thanks to its aggressive front bumper, black pack accents, large black alloy wheels, panoramic roof, and retractable door handles like on the Velar. The gray metallic color combined with the black roof looks very stylish and premium. The interior also matches the class: digital dashboard, high-quality materials, and modern multimedia system. Real fuel consumption depends on battery charge and driving style, averaging around 7 to 10 liters per 100 kilometers. Before buying, make sure to check the battery condition, with the SOH level ideally above 80%. Also, pay attention to the maintenance history of the 1.5 engine and the absence of unusual noises during cold starts. Don't forget to inspect the charging cables and charging port condition as well. Thanks for watching. Subscribe if you love cars. See you next time.